So one day, sounds started spontaneously pouring out of me. Naya, naya, hey, hey, na, ho. My life was chaos. I was teaching middle school science in a lockdown bomb threat kind of school in California. I was going through divorce and random illnesses. Making sounds made sense. I pretty much came out with my mouth open. But within that sound, I heard, "Child, sing yourself whole." Well, why not? Science says that everything started from sound. Could we be connected to the universe's sound? I mean, doesn't everything have a unique sound? And when energy is released in the form of vibration, sound is created, like the bees buzzing their wings, or glaciers moving, or our heart beating. Even a black hole has its own sound, but the sound I'm talking about is the sound that is budding from within our inner peace. Sound, not from up here, sound that rises silently from within us. Sound that is so uniquely ours, when you harness it, it sustains your inner peace. Now, our ancestors knew this sound, our ancestors, and I say it that way because I believe very firmly we are each native. We may not remember as much as we need to. But sound was used to shift energetic fields and to heal people from their past. Sound was used in ceremony so that people could experience their fullest expression. Sound was used to restore harmony within community. Why aren't more of us experiencing inner peace and connected to the universe and our unique sound? Could it be all the distractions we surround ourselves with, like my 100% Italian family? Distractions that keep us seeking outside of ourselves. Distractions that keep us from dealing with what's pent up inside of us, our past pain and our unregulated thoughts and our past traumas. And even with all the diligence in personal development, we haven't hit the nail on the head. We ache to remember. But remembering is tricky when the information's all chained up in jargon and we can't get inside. We can't digest the jargon. How do we break free? Can't somebody throw us a bone? Here's your bones. Sit with yourself, hang out with yourself, and ask yourself questions. And accept that inner peace is a lot simpler and less glamorous than your mind is going to want to make it. Could these be our superpowers? Asking within, remembering our unique sound, and letting it be simple? And what if we combine those things and that helps us to remember? Could that be the superhero that the world needs? It takes a superhero to go inside, because when you get in there, there's a lot of leftovers to shovel through. And you can see I had a lot of experience in shoveling. But I can tell you, our sound is buried within us. At first, you're not going to sound harmonic or pretty. I didn't. I sounded more like this pig here. You're going to cough. You're going to choke. You're going to beg for something to mimic or follow, because you need to connect and open up to the channel that you are. There's nothing to follow other than your own inner peace, because your sound is instinctual. It will rise naturally from within you. You can trust yourself to lead yourself. We're the gurus that we seek. Now, thinking about using your sound or using your voice in the world probably brings up an inferno of fear. I know it did for me. I used to hide in canyon creeks and in waterfalls so nobody could hear me sing. And then I realized sound helped me move through my fear. would anybody want to go through all of this? Because knowing our sound sets us free from the raging mind with greater ease. And knowing our sound, it's an instant tool. It's a tool to navigate the ocean of motions that we are. Our sound helps us set boundaries. Our sound lets us ask for what we need. Our sound gets us to speak to what we feel being said in the moment. Our sound heals us. We want a more peaceful world, don't we? War isn't doing it, and Oprah can't do it alone, guys. It's time we take full responsibility to learn how to get our own inner peace activated and to sustain it. I'm using my voice to cause a remembering of inner peace, and I want you to remember that you can too, so that we can communicate and experience productivity from a powerfully peaceful place. This is the true purpose of the sound of your voice. No ya na hey ya na no ya na ne hey ya na no ya na ne ya na ye ya no ye ya na. Thank you.